Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Rajma, Maaz or red kidney beans and meat in Kashmiri style. Rajma or kidney beans is a comfort food and a staple dish in almost every Kashmiri household in chilly winters, especially Chilai Kalan. Kidney beans are universally loved by people and they are the host of nutritional benefits. So let's get started. For making this comfort food, I have taken 2 cups of kidney beans. I have washed them and soaked them in water, preferably overnight or at least for 2-3 hours. Soaking kidney beans is beneficial for digestion and also helps in cooking faster. The other ingredients are 1½ sliced onion, less than ½ cup of oil, 1½ teaspoon of fennel seed powder, ½ teaspoon of homemade garam masala, 1½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, preferably Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of salt or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 6 to 8 garlic cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 green cardamom, 2 black cardamoms. Salt and chili you can adjust according to your taste, and meat I have taken around 1 kg. Now in a cooker I have taken soaked kidney beans and around 6 cups of water and added garlic cloves, salt, cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamoms, 1 green cardamom and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix, close the lid and cook up to minimum 8 whistles. If you have soaked it overnight, then you may need to cook it for lesser time, but I have soaked it only for 2 hours, so I am cooking it up to 8 whistles. And now in a pan I have heated oil, added cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste, saute and then add onion. The flame here I have kept is between medium to high. Once the onions are fried properly, then add meat, mix and add salt. You can make this without meat also if you want to make it with turnip or without anything. So at this stage you will just put all the spices in onions and then put this tadka in dal. So now I'll add salt. Let the meat fry on low to medium flame. It will release the water. And we have to keep it on low flame, low to medium, till all the water gets absorbed and oil is visible on the surface. Now here you can see oil is visible, so I'll be adding all the spices: turmeric powder, chili powder, fennel seed powder, garam masala. Mix properly and let it fry for a while. And then I'll turn off the flame and go back to dal. So here you can see, now I'll check the dal. After 8 whistles it's soft. Now I'll remove the whole spices if I find any, like black cardamom or cinnamon stick. Now add fried onion and meat mixture or tadka and cook it up to 3 more whistles. If you are adding turnip, 1 or 2 whistles are fine, or if you are not adding anything, just at this stage add the tadka and let it boil on high flame for a few minutes till the gravy thickens. At this stage check the salt and adjust according to your taste. Now close the lid and cook it up to 3 whistles. So after 3 whistles dal is ready. Now I have kept it on high flame for around 5 minutes. The gravy will thicken a bit. This gravy tends to thicken whenever we heat it up, so I am not keeping very thick gravy. So here you can see. Now I'll dish it out. Serve it hot with rice. It tastes best with rice and homemade pickle, but I have paired it with onion chutney. Rajma is a filling meal and it's a perfect family meal, lavish, delicious and treat to taste buds in every possible manner. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Subscribe, like and share and keep watching this space for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.